Presenting the Sony WH-1000XM4 headphone. It is available in blue color and comes in other variant colors like black and silver. It has a dimension of 25.3 into 18.5 into 7.7 centimeters and weighs 254 grams. This lightweight wireless headphone provides a hands-free listening experience. The proximity sensor and 2 acceleration sensors included with the headphones detect whether the headphones are being worn. When the right ear cup is covered with palm music, the quick attention mode is activated. The WH-1000XM4 adjusts the ambient sound to provide the best noise cancellation ANC, offering a personalized, virtually soundproof experience. It works with multi-point connections. It has the ability to pair with 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. A lithium-ion battery can provide up to 30 hours of playtime per charge, and a quick charge provides 5 hours of playtime after just 10 minutes of charging. This headphone comes with an inbuilt microphone and supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. This headphone program is activated through a simple touch.